Welcome back to my channel, guys. Good to see everyone here. Sorry I didn't bring my roll call book. Otherwise, gotta find out who's not here. Nice drink. It's the dew, the melon dew. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sometimes the battery is not, recharged. Yeah, melon dew. And lychee pearls, because I like lychee pearls. And today I have 2 meals. So I was standing there, I didn't know which one to get. So in this container here, I have pork chop, the sauce that comes with it, the cucumber, lettuce and a bit of carrot. I have the rice there and a half-cooked egg. And this one is a salad, guys. Look, it has a spring roll, a bit of meat there, sausage. Yeah, it's a Thai salad. So happy to get these food. Okay, let me do this. I turn this around so they can face one another and I can see what I'm going to eat. And these two can flap away on the side. Anyway, I'm going to get this prayer done and then we can eat. I hope you guys can see the food. I got me some chopstick. Okay, got to open up the sauce. I want to pour some over. It's bean sprout, lettuce, carrots. And I'll pour just a bit over here. And I'll put it over here. Anyway, guys, we are going to eat. So, this must be like Thai sausages, right? Hey, I don't know. But here, have a taste. It's nice and sweety. I'll mix this together so it can be all, hanging out and, have a chat, a group chat. This is nice. I got my food from Plumpton Marketplace. So windy out today, but it's good for my towels. Hung up my towels, probably already dry. It's nice mixed together. Have a taste. Actually it needs a bit of this, a bit more of this. It's nice and sweety, the sauce. Would anyone know how they make the sauce? You see a lot of it on TV, but I still can't figure out how to make it. Ooh, look at that. I'm not really a vegetable person, but today, obviously, ooh. So this must be cut up pork. It is. Yeah, good. There's a spring roll. Have a bite. My, this salad is nice, eh? You know what? Just some noodle things out here. I'll mix it together with the salad. That'll go nicely. I was about to do my, ooh, look, Needs more salad. I mean, it needs more of this wobbly noodle thing. Oh, okay. Now I can see my vegetables. Yep, koe amai runga. Gee, this is actually beautiful. Very tasty. Oh, look at that. Who wants ooh, what's a noodle? Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys got something nice to eat. Cucumber. I like the pork pieces, beans, but it's like it's been dipped into the some boiled water and then in out because it's still got punch. The spring roll is nice too. Right. Sometimes I just make hey, so the ones went for a dip in the pool. I need to know, how is everyone going? I hope you guys are all well. This COVID thing just endless. Oh, I saw that they've taken away. Oh, I've just seen an African man go past. We're having some Africans moving into the neighborhood. You don't know what, their food, their food. And they make this flat pancake, it's like rubbery. I don't know what it's called. Do you know what it's called? It's so nice. One time I was in Mount Drip, and you can hear the music, their music. Went around the corner, and they were giving away free food because they wanted the community to have a taste of their food. I felt like I was African too. I wanted to stay there. I wanted to stay there. They're really nice people, you know. They're very, you know, like, you can have a nice conversation with them. They're educated. The things that they say, like, it's really like, you know, you can have one-on-one. It's really good. Anyway, they were so friendly. And they gave me a plate. And they put their pancake thing down the bowl. And then they had a bit of this, bit of that, vegetables. I was thinking, that's up to me. Over food, adopt me. Anyway, guys, cheers. Yum, it's like bubblegum. It said somewhere that they had on the news that they had removed 2,000 ATM machines. Because they're slowly trying to get rid of do away with the cash. The thing that they should do away with is like the pokey machines. So to those that play pokies, don't come for me. Dip, dip. This is nice. I love the salad. That is so lovely. Put it down here. You know, guys, we're gonna all eventually get that that injection. Yeah, it's in the Bible that we're gonna get it. Okay, so when the Bible says something, it's real. Because there's not a book available out there that can foresee stuff that's way, way ahead of time. Only the Bible. So, we're going to eventually get it. Don't know when. But as you can see, the COVID and all that is heading down. I didn't put any, I had a shower and then I went out to go Plumpton to get my food and take my son to his shopping. He came over and mowed the lawn for me. What a good boy. And then he wanted me to take him shopping, so I thought, okay, $200 later. And then he was trying to stop me from buying stuff. I was just going, no, Mum, don't, you don't need it. How does he know I don't need it? They call me an impulse buyer. I even got sushi too. Oh, for spring roll. Spring roll. Spring roll. I think that my teacher was Mr. Roll Party, and someone commented that her family had Mr. Robati too. How cool. He was such a lovely teacher, I tell you. What I liked about Mr. Robati was that he would say something and he would stand there and look at you. Like, he's fishing for an answer from you. And if you didn't have the right answer that he wanted, he would just make a joke out of it and then just turn around and have a little giggle. It makes you feel like comfortable, you know? Oh. I'll stick with Mr. Robati. Okay, when I was in Mr. Robati's class, right? It was raining, and it was so raining. So our mother said, "Yeah, we got to stay home because by the time we get to school, it's all wet and we are soaked through." And anyway, so we stayed home. But because my mum cleans at night, she comes home and she rests. So we're at home while she's sleeping. But the rain stopped. So my brother, Siaki, he said, we should go for a walk over to our favourite Auntie Leah. So the boss lady said, yeah, okay, let's go. So it was my brother Maeli, me, and Siaki. Anyway, Wellington is like Hurley. So my auntie, she stayed on a Gloucester Avenue or something. It's called Gloucester. So on our way to our auntie's house, there was this house, and at the back of the house it had flooded. Like there's a pool up to our, knees or. So me, thinking I'm a Baywatch girl, I said to my brothers, let's go and play over there. So, you know how it goes, monkey see, monkey do. So we all went and played, splashing around, having a whole lot of fun. Woo! And, you know, if our mother knew, ooh, fussy blussy. Anyway, so we're splashing around, and then, because I thought, well, after the splash, we're walking back home. We're not going to go to our auntie's house, because now we're all wet. You know, can't go there soaked. Our poor auntie will go, oh. Anyway, so we're splashing around, and I looked up, and this car was slowly coming down. It had a Palangi man and a Palangi woman, you know. Palangi means European, okay, Caucasian. Anyway, I was splashing around, and the couple I saw in the car had to go past the house, and then stop. And then the man and the woman walked over. And she goes, and they asked us if we were having fun. Of course we were having fun. It was a whole lot of fun. And then they asked, can we take a picture? You know, can we take a picture? And they told us how to do it. Like, my brother and I, the older one, Shaki, and I have to lie down, and my Ellie have to be just above us. And they're going to take a picture. You know, kids say, easily persuaded to do anything. So we allowed them to do that because we just wanted a picture. She was supposed to be at school, but our mum's instructions were stay home, and there we were, splashing around. Splish splash, I was having a bath. No, we weren't having a bath, guys. We're just making a lot of noise. It's the one of the owner of the house didn't come out. Maybe they went home. I was just there, or they just didn't hear us having all that fun. So they asked us for our names, we gave our names, and then they said thank you very much, and then they went. They didn't say what it's for, okay? Anyway, listen to this. Yeah. So I was back in class, you know, when I went back to school. So, and Mr. Rapati walks over with a newspaper, and he goes, puts the newspaper in front of me, and he goes, why were you not at school? And he folds his arms like this, and he goes, And I'm going, you know, I'm just looking like, I didn't bring a note, because my parents don't write notes. We just have to come and tell it. So I'm looking at it, I'm like, what am I going to say? So I'm just staring at him, and he goes, points at the newspaper, and I look down at the newspaper. There we go, me and my brothers. Holy cow, what a snitch newspaper. We were on the front page. I think it was 1977 or 78. I don't know, but that was a snitch newspaper. Yeah, we were on the front page, me and my brothers. Front page of, I don't know, it's a newspaper, but I don't know what newspaper it was. I just thought, sprung, found out. So the car that stopped was newspaper. And we made it in the front page. Instead of going to school, they go splish splash in someone's yard. Oh, and then my auntie was saying that her husband was looking at the newspaper and saw us too. That's my auntie that we were going to walk to. So that's what happened, guys. So Mr. Rapati found out that we didn't go to school because, you know, we were being naughty and splashing everywhere. That's what happened, guys. So it looks like I can't finish it all. Not the salad. That's the bomb to do. You know what I'll do extra? You know what I'll do next time? I'll tell them less of this and a bit more vegetables. So vegetables are nice. And I don't even really like vegetable. Yep, yummy. Oh, and guess what? My mum woke up and she didn't even know that we went. But it was my auntie that mentioned it, that we were in the front page. So, yeah, and then my mum said, oh well, they were supposed to stay home and look, they go and, you know, so lucky. Yeah. Our Auntie Leah, man, she is such a beautiful lady. Such a beautiful lady. She's always kind to us. We'll never forget that. You know, she used to sew our, she used to sew me and my sister's white Sunday dresses. She even sewed my Christmas butterfly, my first Christmas butterfly dress. It's pink, right? And it had like butterfly arms. She sewed it for Christmas. I felt like I was princess of the day. I was so olele. Did a lot of stuff. Anyway, she sewed the my butterfly dress one Christmas. I was so happy with it. But guess what, guys? I was outside and I was standing there like this, right? Because I wanted to, you know, my neighbourhood girls to see my butterfly dress. I was standing there. Anyway, trying to show off. And when I went to put my arms down, this is no joke. I felt like someone had just jabbed me with a sharp needle or something. But guess what it was? Do you guys know what it was? It was a bee. The bee must have thought, ah, you want to show off your butterfly dress, eh? Okay, get that. Yeah, and he came and ding me right at this and I thought, oh, yeah, how embarrassment. And then my dear auntie that sewed the dress, she came and put butter on it. So I thought, well, I don't know what that's going to do, auntie. All I know is out. But anyway, those are beautiful memories of my dear auntie. Such a lovely, lovely lady. Well, guys, it's been nice hanging out with you guys. Thank you so much for coming back, and to all the new subscribers, welcome. Talofa. Good to have you guys come visit. Thank you for subscribing. Really, really appreciate that. I got 3 shout outs I want to just mention, guys. In my shout out book. Do you know what I didn't do? A thumbnail. Oh. Okay, never mind. Okay. Here are my 3 shout outs, guys. Okay. There's a lady. She does her cooking. Okay. She does cooking on her channel, guys. So I was thinking, she just started not too long ago too. And I was thinking, she comes and leaves a comment here and there on my videos. So I went to check her out, and I went to subscribe as well, because that's what I like to do. I like to subscribe. And then I go back and I watch, you know, and I admire. And I appreciate that they take the time to come and watch my videos, so I show back the love, you know. I think a lot of us YouTubers should do that for one another, you know. But anyway, the name of this person, her channel, it's Lovely Cook Delicious Eats. Okay, guys? So if you can go by to her channel and subscribe to her, show her some love, even watch her cooking and the things that she put on there, mukbang. It's fun. I enjoy watching her videos. So, you know, go and hit the subscribe button. Lalia, yanga. So, hey, if you're just watching, you haven't subscribed to me too, These two had their babies, guys, and I just wanted to say a big congratulations to them. One of them has a channel, Fit Aussie Angie. Angie, thank you so much for always supporting, watching our channel, my channel, other people's channels. You're always so supportive, and I hope they come back and support your channel as well. And Noelene Taiaroa, she just had her baby recently, so congratulations to you also, Noelene, and thank you very much for stopping by, showing love to my channel and everyone else's channel that you watch. Thank you. God bless you guys for all the things that you guys do for other people on their channels, you know, like showing love to them. We really, really appreciate it. Don't think that we don't, because I know I do. I really do, and I'm sure everyone else's channels, they appreciate it as well. So thank you very much for stopping by when you have the time. We really appreciate it. And thank you also for the comments that you all leave us. Every one of you. All our subscribers, our viewers, we are so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. Take care out there in this horrible COVID thing that's happening out there. It's all against us, guys, but if you understand the Bible, part of the Bible near the end part or somewhere, I don't know too, but my mum's told me enough about it to know that it's going to happen. You know, this COVID is leading to us getting the injection that's going to get us our number to no more cash, no more cards, just a injection to the arm. So guys, once again, you all take care, okay? Take care. Show love for your parents, your grandparents. Some of you could have been raised by your grandparents, and you know, in older age, they really, really need that love, need the extra love, put it that way. Okay, but guys, I'll say adios amigos for now. Thank you so much once again. Fa soifua.